Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to verify our email on Roblox, and all you have to do is to launch the Roblox application. So for me, I'm going to use my web browser, which is going to be Google, and I'm going to tap on this search tag is there. I'm going to use my Chrome, and then I'm going to search for Roblox. As you could see, I had already searched for Roblox. So I'm just going to tap on that, and then I'm going to tap on continue in browser. From here, I am going to tap on the gear icon. I'm going to tap on settings. From here, in order for you to actually be able to verify your email, you first need to have an email. So once you tap on the email address, then you're going to tap on this icon. You're going to input your email, and from there, they're going to send you a code in which you're going to put it here. And that's it for this video. As you can see, I already have an email, and maybe they might end. They're only showing me the option to only change an email and not verify, since I had already verified my email. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.